Hello you guys, how are you guys doing? We thank the Lord for yet another opportunity to be in the comfort of our house, right in our kitchen. How are you all doing? Today I'm going to be making cake. This cake. And this cake is a Valentine cake for you, from my kitchen to yours, to you. We thank the Lord. It is just about the love of Jesus, and is the reason for the season. So come with me, let's do this cake together. Let's decorate the cake together. And you will see the video of the cake, the baking of the cake itself, the royal icing that we use, and the decor. So please do give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe, turn off your notification bell. Thank you so much. God bless you. So in my last video, I showed you how we do royal icing with the cream of tartar. So we're going to be putting it to use today. So let's get into it. So we're going to be icing this cake, and there is a video for this cake. Please do watch. I want a strong, not a strong pound cake. So let's get into it. I'm just going to be putting just a little of my royal icing. So if there is any SSO, just get them filled. So my holes are filled up, so I'm going to just do this. Make sure you are not picking up the crumbs with you. Okay. So just go this way. You mustn't end where there is no icing sugar. So anywhere you find there is a hole, you make sure it's crumb coated. So crumb coating is just to hide in all your crumbs so that it won't spoil your icing. Make sure it gets to the tip, to the very down. This is what I'm saying. Make sure it falls in to give you a good so we're going to allow it to dry up, then we will now come back to do our icing. So we're going to do our icing now. So I'm just going to paste a bulk of the icing on top, and I'm going to be using this to smoothen it out. Just make sure you're not hitting to the one that is down. So I'm going to go this way and just move it around. Yes. Anyway, you see that there is, the icing is not touching. In with this and just push it down and get it smooth. remove the excess from it. Make sure it reach the tip and just pull. And just so we now see off. So we're going to be decorating on top of our cakes and put the color on. So I'm going to be trying to make a heart shape. So I'm just pressing down and so just press down. So I'm going to continue with my heart. The same way it's done. I just spread the heart. It's a lot of love. A lot of love. A lot of the love of Jesus. This is a Valentine cake for everyone in the month of February. So please come and join us. Let's share the love of Jesus. Okay, this is our decor for the cake. This is what we've come out with. Thank you for decorating this cake with me. The Lord bless you. Thank you. Please do give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and turn off your notification bell. God bless you. Bye.